Yes, Sha, moin is the Irish for to urinate, but it's also to teach. So Moontor is
a
teacher. It's Moontor me. Tome ag Moona Gaelga.
Tome ag Dana Magoon. I am having a piss for myself. It's bollocks! If I had my way, I'd teach you something Usolok. Rodagan, I don't know. knows that Moggerly is the Irish for bollocks.
We didn't know Irish, stop fucking my shit.
Oh, so I suppose you don't want them to know that cockamus is bullshit?
Not them!
Or that pricking Irish is bud?
Fear is the plural of far, which is not the same as far, which is better, which is not the same as fear, which is ogla, which is not the same as fear, which is true. Yeah? Virtue, men, better, fear, true. Is this clear?
Agus nish agus tú ag sísa kistin go déanach san ihe leis an bhuidéal fianna i do lá ag an granite worktop nua a cosnig €1,000,000 agus go looks like solidified vomit. Ní féad an they came up. Try go duck new cot.
What is Mohian?
Mohian means it feels, as opposed to Mahone, which means my ass. Mohian Mahone means I feel my ass.
Just proper them, please.
It means hatred and disgust. Grá. Let's talk about grá. McGraw gadangan who, Loda Vaca who a county and Arga. McGraw who gadangan is Irig Susi Chasav is Tarlam Fainawaya.
Do you know Mesh? Meshka is not into egg knock-all back on Ishka Baha, on Biora, on Thea.
And can we please just talk, eh?
Actually, that should be on Tishel Ginnadal, egg knock-all back on Fiona. And that does not mean having your way with Fiona McCool and Sakarja. No, Meshka, it's a raw slime until Totter Bahamlon, Palatic, Giai, Flu, Taralta, Shimei or Meshka.
Olin to one made chin. But you end up egg vomit all your guts out. The gut tea amok. A-E-I-O-U bleh.
So the first line is That means